The project of comprehensive granulation of sunflower husks, implemented by our client, a leading producer of vegetable oil in the Kiev region, is an example of an innovative approach in the industry. This client processes over 6,000 tons of sunflower seeds, 5,000 tons of soybeans, and 3,000 tons of rapeseed per month. This ambitious project was implemented by the IC group of companies, which successfully developed a sunflower husk granulation system with a capacity of 15 tons per hour. The unique, vertical arrangement of the equipment allowed for its compact design and perfect integration into the structure of the client's new building. The process begins with the collection of waste left over from the oil production and extraction process, sunflower husks, which is collected in a bunker. Then, they are transferred to a hammer mill, where they are crushed to the desired fraction. Thanks to the pneumatic transport system, the material is sent through a cyclone and filtered to the storage bunker. The raw material from the bunker is then processed in a pellet mill, where the granulation process takes place. The granules that leave the press are cooled in a special cooler, which gives them the required strength. In a further step, the granules are directed to a screener that separates high-quality granules from fine particles. The material that does not meet the requirements is sent for granulation again, and the granules that meet the quality criteria go to the finished product bunker, from where they are sent to the packaging line and then to the finished product warehouse. A team of specialists from Peletto was responsible for the assembly and supervision of every stage of the project, both from a technical and operational perspective. The granulation line from Grantech is fully automated and integrated with the central plant management system, which ensures synergistic operation with the extraction department, the warehouse sector, and the boiler room. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us at the telephone number provided.